Alright, so today we continue our look at using the law of sines to solve for given parts of a triangle, and that triangle is not right. Okay, and then in today's problem, unlike yesterday where you got a picture, today they're not going to give you a picture, they're just going to give you information about the triangle, and my suggestion is always to draw a picture so you can see what you're given and see what you need to solve for. Okay, so we have a triangle. It doesn't really matter what shape it is or what size. It doesn't matter what shape, but size. So A, B, C. It doesn't matter where you label these. A, B, and C. Now you're told big A. Remember, big A is those are always big letters are always your angle. So that's 43 degrees. Little a is always across from your angle. So this is 81. B is 62. And it's little b, so it's here. Okay, so in this triangle, I need to solve for big B, big C, and little c. Okay. All right, so we're going to use the law of sines just like we did yesterday, using proportions. It'll just be a little bit different how we put it in the calculator. All right, so let's solve for the angle B, right? So we have, okay, so to do that, so we use sine of A, so sine of 43 over its side length, so 81 equals, now I'm going sine of B over its side length, which is 62. Okay, and you solve it just like before, you cross multiply, so you get 62 sine of 43 equals 81 sine of B. Okay, divide by 81. So you get this mess. So you get, so if you put everything in blue, right, in the calculator, pull my calculator. Okay, turn it on. Okay, make sure I'm in degree mode. Okay, so 62 sine 43 divided by 81. Okay, is 0.5220. 0.5220 equals sine of B. Now, to solve for B, you have to take sine inverse of 0.5220 equals B. Okay, so you come to your calculator and you press second sine. That gives the sign of the negative first. 0.5220. Oops. 20. All right, and so angle B equals 31.47 degrees. Okay. 47. Now, to solve for C, just like what we did yesterday, so 31.47. Okay. So now you can solve for C. So you can take 180 minus the sum of 43 plus 31.47. Okay, so I use a calculator. So I take 43 plus 31.47. Okay, and then take 180 back minus 105.53. So 105.53. Okay, now to solve for C, little c, this is just like what we did yesterday. So this is 105.53. Okay, so for little c, yeah, you just set it up for proportion, you cross multiply and divide. So you take sine of 43 over its side length, which is 81, equals the sine of 105.53 over little c. So you cross multiply, you get c sine 43 equals 81 sine 105.53. Divide by the sine of 43. Alright, so on the calculator, so you type in everything that is in blue, and that's your answer. So 81 sine 105.53 close parenthesis divided by sine 43 equals 114. 114.43. There you go. Okay. So that's how you do these types of problems. So let's do another one real quick. Okay, so again, they don't give us a picture, so let's draw a picture. So let's just draw a triangle. Doesn't matter what size or how it looks, right? As long as it's a triangle. Label it ABC. So I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to put A here, B here, and C here. It really doesn't matter. Okay. Capital A is your angle, so that's 57. Little a is 33. Little b is 26. Little b is always across from b. So there we go. Okay. So we do the same thing. So we set up our proportion. So we say sine 57 over 33 equals, let's solve for big B. So sine B, angle B, over 26. Cross multiply. So we get 26 sine 57 equals 33 sine of B divided by 33. Okay, so everything in blue I'll put in the calculator. All right, so I have 26 sine of 57 divided by 33. So I get, I'll write that out to 4 decimal places, so 0.6608 equals sine of B. Now to find B, sine negative 1.6608. So you press second on your calculator. So you press second sine 0.6608. Okay, so you get 41. Let's round that off to the nearest, so 41 degrees. Okay. All right, now, so I'll write that in. Now to solve for angle C, right? So all you have to do is you take 180 minus the sum of 57 plus 41. So 180 minus, that's 98. So 98 minus 180 is 82. So that's 82 degrees. Okay. So then to solve for little c, right? So we come back to our proportions. So let's use side A. Sine of 57 over 33 equals the sine of 82, because we have to use this in order to solve for little c, over c. Okay. So we cross multiply. So we get c sine 57 equals 33 sine of 82. Divide by the sine of 57. Right, so everything in blue is what I'll put in the calculator. and that'll be my answer, right? So let's move this over here. So I have 33 sine of 82 divided by the sine of 57. So 38.97. So little c equals 38.97. There you go. Okay. Hope this helps. If not, please let me know. Comment or email. Thanks. Okay.